Okay, we're live. We back again. Hello, hello, hello. All right, everything good. So, let me just. Oh, alrighty. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So let's see what we got here. Looks like a break of an ascending triangle. I know it's a little bit of a, it's a bit of a rush, uh, speedy session, but I actually had I actually just put everything together right now. I was looking at the chart maybe like since 8:30, uh, just hunting for some decent setups. I had one trade I can show you I can show you a little bit later what I had in mind, but I didn't get filled, but it would have been a good trade. But let me see first here what we got going on. We might have a trade going on here, maybe not. Let's see. This might be a potential bounce over here. Yep. Previous resistance. Turn support. Let's see how the market plays out. So yeah, like I said, not much happening. Just market was in a clear uptrend, and now maybe reversing. Who knows? But let's see. I'm not incentivized to take a trade yet. Um, Let me just draw this right over here so I have a clear indication what's going on. Alright, so bounced here. So we broke this, what was it, market opening. We just rallied, bump, 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 and then broke this, rallied, went back here. Yeah, I want to say maybe a nice bounce over here, right? Yeah. So let's see here. Uh, might be a fake out. Yeah, might be too soon to enter. But let's see what we got. Okay, definitely some support right over here at 702. Yeah, 702. Let's put it here. I want to say it looked like a head and shoulders. One shoulder here, and this one was, well, a little bit imbalanced, not even, but if we fail, if we don't hit this, we might as well start going short here. So I might put a short order. So here, rejected, short. My place is just below the wick. 702. 702. Maybe a short right below 698. Or even better, more conservative. $6.92. We got filled. Damn. Maybe get a retest right over here. Let's go for 96. Well, never mind. That was a nice break though. 699 all the way to, yeah, that'd be easy 20 points in the bag, but like I said, there seems to be a lot going on right now. Mm, ATR is almost at 30. It's very busy right now. It's getting busy. So just move this. Give it a bit more room. Alright, let's do it. So I want to see a break, retest, and then another break. If this is a valid support breakdown, obviously. Because it seemed like a solid break. This would have been a tricky trade. Uh, nah, this would have been a winner. I didn't get in, but yeah, break here. So this one broke it. Maybe a retest right over here. You get filled, goes against you a little bit, wider stop loss, and then flush money. Let's see. Cancel this. This sucker's moving fast today. might get rejected at the high and then flush. But then again, might be a breakout over here. It's like it wants to break out. Let's see. Let's see. This is interesting. Put a stop right at the high. Alright. Let's see. Get filled. Alright, let's go. So I got the break. Looking for a retest. Possibly hitting around 704 and then flushing. That might have been rushed actually. Should have probably waited for that third candle to go lower. Let's see. Yeah, probably get tagged out. Yeah. Close it up. Yeah, that's gonna hit it. Yeah, that was kind of rushed. Now that I think about it. Damn. Oh well. Should have actually waited for another break. Like this one broke out, but this one didn't continue. Should have definitely waited a little bit longer for extra confirmation. Yeah, it's okay. It happens. Kind of felt rushed. I don't know why. Um, I think I was getting everything set up last minute, and then that's what it wasn't like focused. But let's see, maybe we get something going on. Maybe really wants to break down. Yeah, there's a lot going on right now. Slide wants to go higher. Yep, that happens. Looking like a nice descending triangle, but it just wanted to go higher. You can argue it could look like a head and shoulders, but the continuation would have been bearish. It's a failed head and shoulders. Yeah. Let's see. Gonna be another rejection. So then break down from this like trading range. So that's sad. See on the 10 minute. Looking bullish. See if this breakout is valid. Wants to continue to go on. So nope. I guess not. Some consolidation. Yeah. Consolidation going on. See. I don't see anything in particular other than what I showed. It doesn't. Maybe we will get a break below this and then we flush again. But I don't know. This looks like a lot of traffic. I don't know, to be honest. I'd be convinced. Really a lot going on here. Like, what was the low? Oh, the low here. Maybe a break below 693. Yeah. Six 693, like a little bit below that. 690, 687, possibly 687 seems like a solid target. If it continue to go lower, if it breaks the line, we break 700 and then move on to lower lows. Selling pressure kicks in. Yeah, there's a lot going on. Change of bias so quickly, you know. Let's see. It's like want to push higher. It's fighting. Yeah. Looking at the 10 minute. We're tanking. Mm. Falls. A little bounce. And then break, like I said. don't like chop like this today. You gotta deal with it now. It's just bouncing around at this point. Alright, let's see. It's like we're breaking lower on the 10 minute as well. Now let's see. A lot of rebounds here. 697, 698. 1, 2, 3. Lots of rebounds. Break 698. CATR's high. Let's go. Let's go with 75. 75, 75. We go 1-on-1. So let's see what's gonna happen. Another rejection. Good. Again, weaker. So let's see, possible scenario. This. Alright. Rejects. One here. Rejection. At 728. Boom. Another one. Boom. Could be a downfall. Yeah, looking at a 10-minute now, looks like it might be a change of trend. Let's see. Still too early to call shots. Um, but yeah, if this goes right, this might be my only trade for today. Well, the other one that I had, but that was a loss and a mistake. I rushed in too quickly. That's my fault. So I think this is a better entry. Put it right over here, right at the high. Let's give a bit more room. Manage our risk correctly. Let's put it here. Let's see. To get a break. That was my machine. If you heard it, sorry. Mm-hmm. Okay. Guess it probably won't get filled. Yeah, it might have been a fake out on the 10 minute. So let's see. Lots of consolidation going on. A lot. But get a break of this. Might rally higher if we break it. Let's see here. Right at the low. Here. A little bit. Potential rally. Who knows? Break 757. But we'll see now. If it's got the tank. If it's got the gas in the tank. To be more exact. Alright, let's see here. Definitely a new trend has started. Like here as well. Could be. But who knows? This NQ, this sucker moves fast. Really fast. So break 757. Potentially go long. I don't know if I want to short it. I like around these levels, yes, but here, no. There's a lot going on here for me to short. Might be an easy bounce. And even this, I mean, you could have traded, like, I could have traded the breakdown, but, retest, but I don't know, it just looks sloppy to me, very sloppy. And I don't like slop. I like something with a clear direction. So, let's see. ATR 21. Alright, we got the potential break going on. Potential. Not confirmed. And right around break of the wicks. Yeah. Let's see. Just a little bit over here. A little over. Yeah. Let's see. So we got the break. We want to see if we can get a little retest, potentially. Right above the wicks. So, or maybe just goes without us. Who knows? Could potentially be the scenario, yeah. But I think this is safer for me, honestly. You can have these breakouts and then have like a next candle fake out, boom, stop you out. But here, let's see if we can retest 760 again, 760.75. So we'll wait and see. We might not. Right here. Let's see. Getting closer. Oh, damn. That's around 765. Damn. Almost got filled. Almost. Damn, that sucks. I still keep it at 762. Maybe lift it a little bit right around here. Alright. 75. Yeah, that would have been a great fill. Ah, well. Disappointed. It happens. Maybe one more. Maybe another one. Boom, boom. Like a bull flag. Maybe just not. Continues without us. Man, that sucks. I'll give it a few more minutes and then I'll close out. But yeah, that's a bummer, dude. If I moved it just over 665, 765, would have been filled. Like here, literally. Should have seen the wicks. Happens. It does happen. It's part of the game. So let's see if we get maybe one more bounce. 765. Nah. That would have been our trade for the day, honestly. What can you do? Yeah, I think I might close this out. Cancel order. Ah, well, we ended up with a little loss for the day. It's not too major. I'll get back tomorrow. But yeah, that's what happens. It's part of the game. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.